Hi friends, I am a lucky member of English Times community and I am a part of English Times for more than 6 months now. And today I would like to share my views about attending the weekend workshops with English Times. I have attended various workshops which English Time conducts every weekend, especially on Saturday, and these are so meaningful and fruitful, and they select the life changing subjects which we really need to think about. And I have attended different workshop which have really helped me in my personal life, and which have helped me in various ways, and not only my professional life but in personal life also. Various ways these workshops are helping me. So I would like to suggest you all, and this is a humble request, that do attend these workshops and make the most out of it. Thank you so much.